All right, what's up guys? Hope you're having a fantastic Friday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some altcoins that I think are going to perform very well over the weekend, or at least some altcoins that you should be monitoring over the course of this weekend in case we're going to get some bullish price action. All right, so let's see here. I have this green list, and before we start, I just wanted to say that this video is sponsored by crypto.com, and it's actually the only crypto exchange where you're able to trade over 200 pairs with up to 10x leverage. And something really cool here is that you're able to buy newly listed tokens on the exchange with a 50% discount while getting daily rewards on your balance with no lockup period. So definitely very, very favorable things going on at the crypto.com exchange. So check out the link in the description below and sign up today, and you will get 50 USD worth of CRO. And guys, let me show you this. All right, look at the CRO token. I mean, come on. I mean, look at this. Holy shit. I mean, I made a video a while back where I talked about the breakout here, and you look at this. Amazing. So look for a potential, break and retest of the 0.55 area for CRO, and you have a really nice trade here. So, they're actually giving you 50 USD worth of CRO. And the chart is extremely bullish, so definitely check that out. Right, so let's look at the altcoins here for today's video. So I have this green list, and what I do is once or twice every week, I go through the perpetual futures contracts on FTX, and I look for strength, right? I look for daily market structure that is bullish. I look for 4-hour market structure that is bullish. And this week, I've been monitoring these coins right here, and it's AVAX, Ethereum, BNB, SHIB, CRV, MATIC, TOMO, and SC, right? Some of these coins have broken down, and it's not really interested right now, but I'm going to show you like what I need to see to really get interested in this right here. And one thing that I really like about AVAX here, well, I don't like the fact that it broke down, right? But AVAX is actually right now testing the low time frame, the local, the reload zone of the local up move right here. So if AVAX can get a back above $118, I'm looking for a long here on AVAX, and a profit target for this one would be somewhere between 145 and 150 right here. But we first need to see a break and retest of the $116 area. And remember here, guys, that the setups that I'm talking about today, they're low time frame setup. They're more scalp trades. They're not going to be any long-term holds or anything like that. I'm just looking for a quick in and out, right? Because if you look at Bitcoin, it's very indecisive. We're not really sure where Bitcoin is going to go, right? It's still in this channel. It's still in the downtrend. We're not really sure what Bitcoin is going to do. So while Bitcoin is trading sideways, we should definitely be interested in altcoins, but considering the current market conditions, I think it's a decent idea to be a little bit more cautious here, and when going long on altcoins, take profits aggressively, because we don't really know what will happen, right? If Bitcoin breaks down, altcoins are obviously not going to pump, right? So be careful, but definitely be risk on when it comes to altcoins. So this is AVAX, a quick idea on AVAX, a break and retest of the 116 area. Now we'll look at Ethereum, and this is actually a trade setup that I've just posted in the Birb nest, where the green area is the buy zone. We've just exited the buy zone here for the Ethereum setup, and we got TP1 at 4,759, TP2 at 4,897, and TP3, which is the last TP, is 5,087. And remember, I said, take profits aggressively. Now, this is my low time frame trade, a scalpish trade on Ethereum. Now, if you want to leave a moon bag, instead of taking 50% off at last TP, I would argue that it would be a good idea to leave 25% open as a moon bag in case Ethereum really runs. And if you look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it's looking quite strong. Like it's looking quite strong. So while Bitcoin is trading sideways here, I think there's a pretty good chance that Ethereum will start outperforming Bitcoin. And but then again, take profits aggressively, because when Bitcoin moves, it's not gonna be pretty, So that's AVAX and Ethereum. Right now, I think Ethereum is one of the best looking altcoins in the crypto market right now. We also have MATIC, which is just insane. So we're going to look at MATIC right here. MATIC has been pumping like crazy, right? And I've been watching this, right? And we talked about how we wanted to see well, actually, it's happening right now. And holy god damn it, I missed it. But I was looking at a scalp here this morning on MATIC, where we had just a beautiful bounce here in the blue box, which was my idea for a setup, right? But now I'm talking about scalp trades. I'm looking at the 15-minute, and obviously when this video will be released, it's not going to be the exact same shot that you're watching. So we're going to be watching the higher time frames here on MATIC to see if there's really any good area to get in on a retest. And I really do think that this is a really nice area for potential retest to get in on. So wait for the 2.20 area for MATIC to get retested. Now, if you can get a rounded retest of this level right here, that would be a beautiful entry, right? And I would then just keep trading my stop up because this looks insanely strong right here. So look for a rounded retest of the 2.2 area for MATIC, and I think we're going to get some really good entries on that. Now, if you're interested in scalping and you're going to be able to actively watch this market, for the next couple of hours or during the day or during the weekend, you're actively watching the market, check the 15-minute on MATIC because it's really testing some really great areas here. And if you add a 20 to 50 and 100 EMA here in the 1 hour, you will see a pretty good setup forming right here. And this is exactly what I wanted to see, right? A 15-minute bullish engulfing right here with a 15-minute stochastic bull cross below 30 on the test of an SR level complement with 20 EMA. That is picture perfect scalp setup, and you would already be in a 2R profit on this one. So check that relationship. You can see on this trade all the way up, it has some really good bounces where this setup just worked out beautifully. So if you're interested in scalping, check out MATIC. I think it's really strong right here. Now let's take a look at the BNB, right? So BNB, pretty messy shot right here, but it does look like the overall trend here is definitely bullish, right? So we want to be looking for longs on BNB. And if you want to long this is a great area to do so, where I would like to have a take profit at around 700 with a stop loss somewhere below 590, right? So we're watching a possible trade setup that would look something like this for a quick 2R, right? So that's what I'm watching during the weekend as well. If Bitcoin can keep on ranging while Ethereum versus BTC starts moving upwards, we're probably going to see some pretty nice moves from altcoins, and BNB is definitely one of the strongest coins right here. We looked at SHIB, right? Now, SHIB is not really getting ready to go long on right here, but we do have a pretty interesting scenario here where if we can reclaim the 50% fib right here, complement with the daily 20 EMA, I do think that we are going to see a nice move to the upside, right? So I'm thinking somewhere up in this area right here. And that would, like, the setup, the risk to reward on this is quite good, right? I'm watching something like this, right? So a 4-hour trade. And it's very possible. Now, I not really that interested in long and SHIB because it's kind of like the shit coin. But if TA tells you long, you probably should long, right? So look for a break and retest of that 50% area complement with the daily 20 EMA. CRV is another one we've been watching, but this unfortunately broke down. But if we can manage to reclaim the $5 area for CRV, I think we're going to see a possible move at least up to $6 on CRV during the weekend if Bitcoin allows. Tomo actually looks really good here. So you can kind of see here how we reclaim the daily 20 EMA complement with the 4-hour 20 and 50 EMA. And if you go down to the 1 hour, you see here that it's a beautiful reclaim of this support level right here. Now, if we do get a deeper retrace down here and then form around the bottom, would be absolutely beautiful for Tomo right here. I would love to see that on the 4-hour. And on the 4-hour, we would have a move like this and then around the bottom. And that might happen later today or tomorrow, but I would be okay with a round the bottom on the 1 hour as well. So definitely keep your eyes on that possibility on Tomo. If you're into scalping, this is also another one you should be watching. And you see you should be watching this behavior right here with the bounce on the 20 EMA with a 15-minute bullish engulfing and stochastic bull cross below 30. Now watch for this relationship right here. You have a double bottom right here. You can get a double bottom, a break and retest of the upper region of the double bottom, and look for a continuation of this 15-minute trend right here. Great scalping opportunities on Tomo and MATIC. Then we have SC, right? So we got SIA coin, which on the daily, if you watch this on the daily, you'll see that it's broken above a major accumulation area right here and is now retesting that support. We had a daily bullish engulfing yesterday on the retest of the daily 20 EMA, which looks absolutely beautiful. Now, however, it still looks a little bit bearish here. So what I would like to see is, well, not bearish, but there's no real confirmation of strength here. So what I would like to see here is a retest of the, or a reclaim of the 0.02 area for a move like this, right? If we can get a reclaim of that level, I would absolutely go long on SIA coin with a 10% stop loss, and even up to these highs, it's a 2R. So definitely interesting, right? So these are the coins I'm watching right now. The most interesting ones right here is obviously we got Ethereum, we got MATIC, and we have Tomo and BNB. So Ethereum, MATIC, Tomo, and BNB are the four most interesting coins right now, in my opinion, with Ethereum ready to break out. MATIC is moving very nicely here and looks like a scalper's paradise here on MATIC. Same with Tomo, getting ready to scalp this as well. And BNB looking good for a little bit bigger move. Wouldn't want to scalp this because it's very choppy. The trend isn't very clear, but I definitely think we got a move up towards the 700 area for BNB. All right, guys. So these are the altcoins that I suggest you keep monitoring during the weekend and watch for these setups to play out, and you then know what to do. All right, guys. Let me know if you like these short videos on altcoins where I show you some setups and the strongest ones that I believe will run. Let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this one. And yeah, that's it. Take care, guys, and see you guys in the